Hi, my name is Tim Kroll. Today, I will be demonstrating how to create a Google Workspace administration connection. I'm going to be following along on the documentation that Zenphi provides on docs.zenphi.com. This is in their how-to section, and it is the creating a Google Workspace administrator connection article. So we're going to follow that straight down. So the very first step is you're going to open Google Cloud Console. I have open right here. Log in with your administrator account. Click on the menu, the navigation menu in the upper left corner of the screen, and go down to IAM and admin. Then we're going to click on service accounts. All right, so now that you're in the service accounts section, you're going to create a service account. Give the account a name, and you'll notice the service account ID is already pre-populated for you. And then you can give it a description. It can be the same as the name. Then do create and continue. And it will create the service account. Then click Done. All right, you'll see that the service account is created on the next screen here. Go ahead and select that service account. Click on the three dots. Go into Manage Keys. Click Add Key. Create New Key. And you want to do JSON and then create. See that it saves it on your down onto your local machine. You can close that. Next, you're going to hop over to Zenphi. Down in the lower left, click on the gear, hover over it, and you can go up to Connections. Click New. You get to Google Workspace Administration. Connect. It's asking you for your JSON file. You go ahead and browse for that. Open and create. All right, that has now been created. And the final step is to set up the domain-wide delegation for the service account. So back to the console we go. And we're going to go back into service accounts one more time. Already that's still there, it looks like. Into the three dots, go into Manage Details, then go into Advanced Settings, and you want to domain-wide delegation. You want to copy this guy right here to the clipboard. Then view the Google Workspace Admin Console. So in the Admin Console, we're going to go to Security. And then we are going to go to Access and Data Control and API Controls. Down here on the bottom where it says Manage Domain-Wide Delegation. And we're going to do Add New. Paste the client ID that you had. And then you want to also paste these. Now you want commas at the end of these. It has to be comma delimited. So because we don't have it that way on the site, I'll just paste it here, put a comma at the end of each one. Except for the last one. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to paste it right there and authorize. And there you go. That is how you create the connection.